Good day, everybody. I want to show you today how we can build a combo box. Combo box prevent errors when you put our name strings inside the cells. In the column D with a town that calls New York, we can put the name of New York in the different ways. New York and dot y, etc. New York. We have a lot of examples, and I will show you what is the problem. When we go into the data and go to the filter, we want to choose all towns that called New York. I will add another town. Maybe I will take some towns from here, from another sheet, and put them here. Choose New York. I will write NE, and after that I want to click on OK. But as you can see, I have only two strings of New Yorks. The cell name that I insert into the cell n.y, I don't see. As I told you, to prevent the different ways to insert data in our cells, we need to use to build combo box. I will show us how to build in a few seconds combo box to prevent making errors in inserting data. Let's go. We're going to the first cell in column D, D2, and we're going to the data and going to the data validation. Clicking double on data validation, and we choosing in this combo drop down list. After that, we're going to the source, and I choose my data from my another sheet that I built for our exercise. After that, I click in enter and another clicking on enter. Our combo box is appearing here, as you can see. And I want this combo box for all my cells in column D. I'm going to the right corner, I'm pushing down for all my column, and after that, as you can see, I can to choose all of the cities that I have in my additional sheet from this sheet. Thank you for the watching. I want you to subscribe my channel, make likes, and have a nice day.